Alright, welcome to Cooking Conspiracy, and we're doing a honey soy seared tuna salad. You'll need tuna and vegetables and your marinade. Marinade's going to be 1 part soy, 1 part honey, 1 part olive oil, some ginger, and some pepper. Pretty simple. You're going to mix it all together until it is uniform. As much ginger as you want, but don't overpower it. Honey, I really gotta get some liquid honey, but it'll dissolve eventually. And I stir it up. Yeah, I forgot to film the pepper. Whoops. And we're gonna have to be stirring a while because that honey's pretty thick. I like thick. Not too thick, but a little thick is okay. Alright, you want your tuna about an inch thick or so is about perfect. You can marinate it for about an hour in the fridge. Try to get as much air out of the bag as you want. You got your carrots, green onion, fennel, and then whatever type of lettuce or green you want. I like a little bit of crunch. Alright. Add your vegetables to the bowl there. Mix it up, quick toss, hygienic toss. Ooh, we got a hand job tossing the lettuce going now. Alright, now you want to preheat your pan over medium-high with a little bit of oil. You want it hot, but not too hot. Just hot enough to get sear. You want 45 seconds. Each side is about perfect with this thickness, depending on how thick yours is. You want to be able to get a nice sear on the outside though. Alright, now let your tuna rest while you make your dressing. Pour the remaining marinade into the pan. Heat it up for 20 to 30 seconds. That's all you really need to do. Before it sticks to the pan, you're going to use it as a dressing on your salad. Oh, another quickie. Gotta love those. After a couple of minutes, slice your tuna. Try to at least go kind of against the grain. And then just cut it into the size pieces that you want to eat on your salad. Add to the salad. Add some sesame seeds and toss it around so you get some of that nice sauce over the fish. Thanks guys, give it a try. If it turns out any good for you, be sure to subscribe. Thanks.